Hello, everyone. That doesn't look like any street from Bacolod City because it isn't. We are in Cebu City and we happen to be on a holiday. And what do you do on a holiday? You go bike shopping, of course.
This baby right here is what we came all this way for. 160 horses of gut-wrenching power. I'm scared just looking at it. The S1000R. There was also the 1200 GS, the R90 Cafe Racer, and the Scrambler. The XR, I would love to get it if I was tall enough to ride it. So there I was, drooling over these awesome bikes and hoping to get some good deals, but probably much too much to ask for an expensive brand like BMW. Seriously? Promos? If you're rich enough to buy these bikes, you wouldn't be asking for one. Not at this level, dude. Or so I thought. Until I came to Harley-Davidson. Nothing spells big bikes like Harley-Davidson, and they're here to do business. This is the Iron 883. It's the stuff of dreams. If money's no object, I would get this one. But it just happens to be. So let's look at the Harley-Davidson starter pack, the Street 750. And here's Mark getting me one right now. Now listen to the sound of the Screaming Eagle exhaust.
Very nice.
You may remember the Street 750 from Captain America Winter Soldier, and this one you may get for only 29,000 pesos down payment. I will end up paying less for a Harley than I would for my Z650. Long story, but it's a legit deal. As a matter of fact, you may call him up right now and ask him personally. There's only a few left, so chances are, when you call, the deal is no longer available. Hopefully, I've already gotten mine. You'll know in the next episode, so don't forget to like or subscribe. See ya!